So we know through social media that you guys are really missing our in-flight and lounge meals and our signatures, and nothing would be a bigger signature than the first class pavlova, which is actually a beautiful, fresh, deconstructed pavlova. All the elements, of course, meringue, fruit, instead of whipped cream, mascarpone. We put ice cream as well and finish it with pashmak, which is a fantastic Iranian fairy floss, which, as they always say, never gets old. We love it. So, running through the recipes, you'll be able to make these meringues if you like. It's really simple. You're just whipping egg whites, you're putting cast sugar and icing sugar, a bit of freeze-dried strawberry powder with it to get the color, and baking it slowly. And you get these beautiful meringues that are crunchy on the outside, slightly chewy. But you could just go to a cake shop and buy meringues. As a matter of fact, I think you can buy meringues at Coles and Woolworths, and you can just crush it through if they're bigger, or if you can get smaller ones, you can make it, which is fantastic. Fresh raspberries, fresh strawberries, passion fruit, important in every single pavlova. And then this lightened mascarpone cream. So again, it's just seasoned mascarpone with sugar, egg white that's whipped through, and you'll literally lighten it. And this is the base for essentially a tiramisu. And there's the pashmak I was talking about. You know, it's very sticky, sticks to you, but essentially fairy floss, spun sugar. And here we have, you can have any gelato or ice cream. You can make this as a seasonal as fruit as you like. You can do anything with this pav. You just need the crunchiness of the meringue. And here's Maggie Beer. Look, long-term supporter of Qantas. We've been buying her pate since we first started in first class. We launched her ice creams for her. And as we all know, we all love Maggie. So here we go. We're going to put a nice little turn of ice cream down in a glass. And if you've got beautiful glasses like this, it really does look spectacular. Down you go. If I was being totally professional, I'd have hot water here, but who cares? Okay, in with some of the mascarpone. And again, you can kind of build this any way you like. This is just completely deconstructed. So do what you like. You can, as I said, pop these in. You can break them, but again, see that chewiness in there? You'll miss all that if you're not careful. So in we go. Some fruit. How good are raspberries? They really are amazing. If you can get some freeze-dried raspberries as well, that's incredible. In with some strawberries, a little bit of freeze dries. I'm pretty sure Whole Foods and those guys have these freeze-dried fruits these days. In with some passion fruit. And, whoa, we're just going to start the whole process again. So, in with the ice cream. Beautiful vanilla ice cream from Maggie. But try not to touch the sides of the glass because it's a real pain to clean. In we go. And we're back in with some meringue world again. These are just fantastic. They really are. Let's get some fruit going in here. Now I'm getting up closer to the top. It's just a bit easier to really have a good go at it. Passion fruit. And then, here we go. Nice dollop of ice cream again. Whoops, just went against the side. That's naughty. Naughty but nice. In with some mascarpone. And like you can just see, looking through that glass, all those beautiful colors. And this truly is just so easy to put together. Mascarpone, lighten it. Buy meringues if you want. Buy Maggie's beautiful ice cream. Get a favorite gelato. Whatever you want, you can do. And this is just beautiful, beautiful food, honestly. So in with some passion fruit to finish. And then, you know what, I'm going to chuck a little meringue in again, right on the top there. right up there with the Pashmak, right on top. There's a really good reason that these things become signatures, and that's because they are so amazingly delicious that it's almost impossible not to love. And I think if we took this off the menu in the first class lounge, there would be a riot.